we're going to go over how to create a work order template. So we're here in the jobs board. We're going to come over to admin. We're going to come down to templates. Now we're going to come over here to add a template. And now we have our choice of job or work order. Workflow we're not going to ever use. That's a very specific case. So we're going to come down here to work order. And in this, let's call this airplane. For airplanes, if I can spell. And we're also going to add a tag. We'll just call it an airplane. And if it's not already populating, you just hit enter and it will create a tag. And this is just for easier searching and for sorting later. Okay, so now we are going to come down here to the checklist, and we're going to add a couple items. I want to add 3 items. First, I want to install the snaps. Okay, and I don't have a particular team that I'm going to assign it to for right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is quote all upholstery. And then the last thing I'm going to do is give customer FC. Okay. Now also we're going to install some work order operations. So I'm just going to add a whole bunch of operations here. I have no idea how many I'm going to need because I'm just going through this a little bit. And it doesn't much matter. So here we go. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to do a call for a drop off or pickup. I'm not going to assign anybody to it right now. Okay, I'm going to do this as a foam fab team. I've already got a loaded team set up. As you can see, unassigned all the way down through all of these. And I did that in a previous one. So we're also going to do a repair. And we're going to assign that to the repair team. There we go. We're going to do a... Okay. And we're going to assign this to the fab team. Here we go, and admin, and the final one we're going to do is we're going to replace broken zippers, and that's just going to be the repair team again. There we go. And I could have just selected it, but I was just typing quickly, and if you give it a couple seconds, it'll refresh on its own. Now I've got these extra ones here. I can just get rid of them, and I'm going to save and close this. Now, if we want to actually input this into a job, we can come over here and we can add to the work order. And in this case, I'm just going to put airplane, and there it is. Look at that. And here we go. We've got the checklist. We've got all the operations, and we can add attachments as we need them for this specific operation here of doing all this. And that is how you create a template for a work order.